Welcome to the 1 Minute Gut Check. Today's topic, stress demons out. The stress response is killing us. One day this past week, my lawnmower broke, the weed whacker broke, the garage door broke, our sprinkler system blew up, the AC went out, and I'm sure there's like 6 other things that happened. I just don't know what they are yet. Then I got this insight that my friend Michael Open gave me years ago. It wasn't the events that were causing me stress, it was the way that I was seeing the events that caused me stress. So how do we immediately get out of the stress response when we need to? Here's some ideas. First, understand that there's a gap between stimulus and response. Second, learn that in that gap we have a choice. What's happening to us may be bad, but the way we can respond can be good. Third, when we're feeling stress, have a still and steady mindset. Oftentimes, relaxation or meditation can help. Next, control your breathing with slow and steady breaths. And finally, things like exercise, calming music, or to-do list can help. What's causing you stress? Here's what I want you to do. Cast the stress demons out by a series of stress reduction tactics that work for you.